Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Wix to Claude in 2026. Now, in order to do it, first of all, you need to come here on wix.com. Afterwards, click on the option of Get Started on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now, over here, you need to provide your sign up details, like you can continue with the help of your Google account, your Facebook account, your Apple ID, and your email address. Afterwards, you just have to simply get access to your Wix account. If you already have an account here, you can click on the option of login and then you can log in into your Wix account. Now, once this step is done, simply open a new tab and search for Claude AI. Over here as well, you need to log in or sign up in order to get access this type of dashboard. Now over here, hover over to the left hand side, then click on the option of customize. Over here, click on the option of connect your apps. Now you will be shown all of the applications that you can basically connect with your Claude AI account. So since we want to connect our Wix account, you just have to simply search for Wix here in this list. And as you can see, you can certainly integrate or connect Wix with your Claude AI account here. So you just have to do nothing but to just simply click on this plus icon right next to it. Then you will be automatically redirected here on the sign up page. Now over here, if you already have signed up, you will be shown the authentication and the approval page. So you just have to simply click on that particular button and then it is going to redirect you here on Claude.ai, and the connection and the integration will also be successful. So that's how you can connect it. Thank you.